Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome back to my English class. Still with me, Miss Melda Nugraha. Well, how is your life today? I hope you are all in a good condition. Okay, dear students, last week you have learned about the conjunction of purpose, and today you are going to learn about the expression of agreement and disagreement. But before we are going to learn about that material, let's open our meeting by saying Basmalah together. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, so let's learn about agreement and disagreement expression. Alright, let's start learning about agreement and disagreement expression. Okay, before we are going to start discussing about agreement and disagreement, I would like to tell you the learning objective of our material today. Jadi, tujuan pembelajarannya yaitu yang pertama, to understand about the expression of agreement and disagreement. Untuk memahami mengenai ekspresi atau ungkapan persetujuan dan ketidaksetujuan. And then the second, to understand how to use the expression of agreement and disagreement. Untuk memahami bagaimana cara menggunakannya, ya, menggunakan ungkapan agreement dan disagreement. Okay, next. Okay, so what is agreement? Ya, jadi teman-teman, apa itu agreement? Okay, take a look to the first box. Ungkapan atau ekspresi untuk menyatakan bahwa kita setuju terhadap opini atau saran dari orang lain. Ya, jadi diingat saja simpelnya agreement, setuju, gitu ya. Oke, take a look to the second box. Sekarang kita lihat ke box yang kedua. Here I have expression of agreement. Ya, jadi ini ada beberapa contoh ungkapan untuk menyatakan persetujuan kita, ya, kepada saran atau opini orang lain. The first, yang pertama ada I agree with you. I agree with you. Aku setuju denganmu, artinya. And then the second, that's so true. That's so true. Ih, bener banget, gitu ya. Nah, itu juga sama untuk mengungkapkan persetujuan. And then the third, yang ketiga ada you are absolutely right. You are absolutely right. Kamu bener banget, gitu. Kamu bener banget artinya. And then yang selanjutnya ada absolutely. Absolutely. And then yang selanjutnya ada same here. Same here. Nah, ini bentuk informal. Lalu ada I'm on the same page with you. I'm on the same page with you. Aku juga sama kamu. Itu satu pendapat maksudnya gitu ya. Lalu selanjutnya ada I couldn't agree more. I couldn't agree more. Artinya aku setuju banget. And then that's exactly how I feel. That's exactly how I feel. Artinya itu juga sama banget sama aku gitu ya. Okay, next. Okay. In the previous slide, we talked about agreement. Yeah, we talk about agreement. And here we are going to talk about disagreement atau kebalikannya. Ya, nah kalau ini tentang disagreement atau ketidaksetujuan. Ya, jadi disagreement itu ungkapan atau ekspresi untuk menyatakan bahwa kita tidak setuju terhadap opini atau saran dari orang lain. Ya, oke, contoh ekspresinya ada di expression of disagreement di kotak yang kedua. Di situ ada I don't agree with you. Kebalikan yang tadi, ya, aku tidak setuju denganmu kalau yang ini. And then that's not always true. That's not always true. Itu nggak selalu bener kok, gitu ya. Lalu I don't think so. I don't think so. Kalau aku enggak sih, aku pikir enggak gitu. Nah, itu ya termasuk ke dalam disagreement. Dan I'm not sure about that. I'm not sure about that. Aku nggak yakin. And I totally disagree. I totally disagree. Kalau ini artinya aku sangat tidak setuju, ya. Totally, sangat tidak setuju, benar-benar tidak setuju. I beg to differ. I beg to differ. Lalu yang terakhir ada I don't think that's a good idea. I don't think that's a good idea. Ya. Nah, itu termasuk ke dalam ekspresi untuk menyatakan ketidaksetujuan. Alright, it is the example about conversation and dialogue between Bagas and Dimas that talk about agreement or disagreement. Okay, let's read together. What do you think about English, Dimas? Well, I think it's easy to learn. Do you agree with me? I'm not on the same page with you. I have troubles when I study English. I usually get bad score. You have to practice every day to get good score. You can practice it with me if you want. Just come to my house. Yep, you are right. I have to practice it. Alright, I'll come to your house tomorrow morning. I'm not sure I'm not sure I'm at home tomorrow morning. How about at 1 p.m.? Oke, Dimas. Oke. Nah, ini contoh conversation atau percakapan antara Bagas dan Dimas yang ada ungkapan agreement atau dan disagreement-nya, ya. Oke, next. Alright, here is the task for you. Ini ada tugas buat teman-teman semua yang sudah menonton video ini. Tugasnya yaitu find out the expression of agreement and disagreement. Temukan ekspresi persetujuan dan ketidaksetujuan based on the conversation on the previous slide. Ya, berdasarkan percakapan atau dialog yang ada di slide sebelumnya yang barusan. Then write down your answer on the comment below, ya. Jadi nanti jawabannya silakan ditulis di kolom komentar, gitu ya. Nah, bagaimana cara menjawabnya? How to answer the task, ya. Contohnya kayak gini. Nah, agreement. Jadi yang termasuk ke dalam ungkapan agreement itu apa saja yang ada di percakapan barusan. Lalu disagreement, ya. Yang termasuk ke dalam ungkapan disagreement berdasarkan percakapan yang ada di slide sebelumnya itu apa saja, ditulis di kolom komentar. Dan send, I would like to check it after you finish the task, ya. Okay, thank you. Well, guys, if you don't understand yet about the material that I explained to you, please ask me on the comment below, or you may chat me. Yeah, I'm sorry for all the mistake that I made. So thank you for your nice attention. The last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.